are Victoria Upton, the lighting company in Bristol. Today I'm going to introduce a 2-bedroom and 1-bathroom apartment which is located in BS8 Clifton area. Everybody knows Clifton is a very decent area. People are friendly and nice, and also is nearby University of Bristol, nearby a lot of local companies. Let's go and show you this apartment. Here you got a corridor when you're coming in, and this is the corridor that you see. Floor to the ceiling is really high, and then you keep going the corridor. That will be the living room. The living room, I think, is really spacious. Again, it's a very high ceiling, and you got the table for family of 4 or 2 young professionals to share. And here is the sofa. This sofa is a sofa bed, and this property is fully provided all the furnitures. Here you got a big mirror and a decorative fireplace. Used to be working, but now it's just for decorative purpose. And you got some simple furnitures here, and the floor is all newly renovated. Here is the kitchen. The kitchen, you got the oven. The oven is fully deep cleaned, and then the extraction fan is all working. All the cupboard is being cleaned. Here is the fridge and the freezer is all being cleaned. The microwave is brand new, which is very handy. And then that is the washing machine. The washing machine has been deep cleaned, and you can tell it's so clean. This one is the bedroom one. Bedroom one, you got the queen size or the king size IKEA bed, which is quite new, and we got mattress protector here, and the desk here. And now here you can see the view. The view from the window is gorgeous, which is not a good sunny day, but you can tell we are on the hill, so you can see all the properties in front of you are different color. Everybody have their own choice, but looks like a rainbow properties. Yeah, that's quite nice. Oh, quite spacious. This is bedroom one. Let's have a look at the bedroom two. The bedroom two is, again, you got a double bed here, and you got a desk, and also the window view from here is quite nice. And then let's have a look. There's a built-in wardrobe here, which is quite good to organize your own stuff. Then the last thing to show you will be the family shower, family washroom. Let's see, you got the newly renovated electric shower facilities here, and it's a fully cleaned. It's a really nice, convenient location in Clifton. Either you are working in Clifton area, or if you are the young family or working professionals, it's very welcome. If you're interested, and do leave your message here. Thank you very much for your time to watching. Bye.